Welcome to the video on survey on Moodle LMS platform. Moodle supports three types of surveys. First is critical incidents, second is constructivist online learning environment survey, and the third is attitudes to thinking and learning survey. A critical incident survey works on these 5 questions. A student is allowed to enter any free text answer for these 5 questions. Next is constructivist online learning environment survey. In this type of survey, there are 24 statements grouped into 6 scales. So under every topic, there will be a set of questions for which the student is allowed to answer. This survey provides multiple choice options for a student to select. Finally, attitudes to thinking and learning survey. This survey was developed by a person called as Gallotti in the year 1999. This helps a course instructor to measure the extent to which a person is a connected knower or a separate knower. Based on this connected knower and separate knower, there are a series of questions which are available based on which we can understand the attitudes of a student. Now let's see a live demo on how to create a survey. Click on the settings button, turn editing on. Go to add an activity or resource. Select survey, click add. So first I'm going to create a survey on critical incidents. So let me name the survey as critical incidents. Then select the survey type. The survey type is critical incidents. In the description box, if you want to add some details, it can be added. Scroll down, click on activity completion and enable this menu to set the expected date of completion. Scroll down, save and display. On this preview page, you can see 5 preset questions for which a student is allowed to answer in a descriptive way. Next, let me create the second type of survey. Click add an activity or resource. Select survey, click add. The second survey I'm going to create is COLLES. Select the survey type as COLLES actual. COLLES survey supports 3 formats. First is actual survey, second one is the Coles preferred survey, third one is preferred and actual. Let me click on Coles actual survey. If you wish to enter some details in the description box, you are free to do so. Scroll down. Click on activity completion. Check the enable button and set the expected date of completion. Scroll down, click save and display. On this preview window, you can see the preset questions. As discussed in the presentation, you can find the 6 categories: relevance, reflective thinking, interactivity, tutor support, peer support, and interpretation. And finally, let me create the third type of survey. Click add an activity or resource. Select survey, click add. Choose the type as ATTLS. Scroll down. Select activity completion. Enable the expected date of completion. Click save and display. On the preview window, you can see 20 preset questions for which the student is allowed to select one of these choices. With this, we come to an end of this video. Thank you.